Living a little with Matt Drawley and his RV-8. Hello and welcome to my aviator channel. Back in December I had a chance to go visit a gentleman in the Livermore area by the name of Matt Drawley, who owns an RV-8 and an RV-6. Being in the market for an RV aircraft, he was kind enough to show me his airplanes, and actually we went up for a ride in the RV-8. Living at a Livermore airport, we climbed up to about 4,500 feet eventually above the inversion layer. It wasn't smog, it was just the weather, and as you can see there, quite the view out the back of the aircraft. After reaching our cruising altitude, we circled out of the Livermore area and headed towards Tracy and Stockton. After leaving Stockton and flying a few circles, we went back over towards Mount Diablo, which is a mountain in the San Francisco Bay Area that has an observatory on top, and it's quite the tourist attraction. As you can see, for Sacramento all the way to the Sierra Nevadas from up top there. On a clear day, I might add, you can also see San Francisco in the Bay Area. So anyway, flying by the mountain, we decided we'd do a little pass for our own little observation of what was happening up on top. And on the left side of the aircraft, there's a little low pass there. You can see the people at the observatory, basically checking it out. And checking out the RV-8 go zipping by. So that was kind of cool. And then we have to go out there and make a circle to come back. By the way, all this video was shot on an iPhone 10. And then just edited together here in Final Cut Pro, so you know it's not professional production by any means. And here we make another low pass with the observatory off on the right hand side of the aircraft. Quite the view for both us and them. Didn't have the Garmin Verb at the time, so I couldn't integrate the cockpit communications and all those good things, but it was just, you know, an adventure and a lot of fun. My shout out goes to Matt Drawley for showing me the aircraft, and yeah, he built them himself, by the way, and they're just incredible machines. The fit and finish on both Matt's airplanes are just incredible, better than most commercial aircraft I've seen. Coming back in, we hit a few bumps due to differential heating, but the wind was still actually fairly nice. We approached from the west, just coming in over Livermore fairly low in a few fields. Had a somewhat flatter approach because on the tailwheel aircraft a lot of times you want to just ease it onto the ground with just the front wheels. Click the video links at the end of this video and you can see my current training on tailwheel aircraft. So anyway, here we are on the low approach, and we're just squeaking it in to get the main wheels to touch, and it'll stay on the main wheels for a while. You let the actual tail of the aircraft settle to the ground on its own. You don't force it down. So here we are rolling down the runway on our main wheels, waiting for the aerodynamic lift on the tail to give out and let it settle to the ground on its own, as it just did right there. And then it's just some rudder work to keep the plane lined up on the runway until you're slow enough to taxi off. So if you enjoyed watching the video, please hit the like button. You know how that works. So there you have it. Please subscribe to my channel and watch me learn how to fly a tail dragger myself. I'll be flying a Citabria out of Auburn, California with Sunshine Flyers. Thank you.